I will use Plotagon logic to turn it off. Plotagon logic, activate.
Washington A.
Shut the bitch up.
Oh my God! Classic Layla, how dare you swear at me? That's it, you have just received your first strike, one more then you're grounded.
Oh, Caillou, you are grounded for life.
GRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRR Hello? Oh, no.
No, it's not fair. How could you treat SpongeBob and me and my friends? That's so it. I'm gonna rage.
No, Henry, don't you dare.
GRR. Mr. Samir, you are so biased, you are so unfair, you are the worst teacher ever.
Washington, hey.
You piece of shit.
Shut the bitch up. My classic clone, how dare you swear at me, like you swear ground. That's it, you have just received your second strike, and which is your final strikes. That's it, I will make a loud noise again. But, I will do it loud. No 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 no. Please don't make a loud noise again. I'm very sorry. Yes. No. GRRRRRRR. Fine. Starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. My ears. Wah. Also, you are so grounded for now. Go to your room right now. Fine.